Macro Basics Part 2. Identify the active workbook name. When working with multiple workbooks, you will come across a process wherein you may have to identify the currently active workbook using macro. Here's how to do it. We will nest this code in a message box to test. Notice the file name of the currently active workbook. Declaring variables. Declaring variables is like putting a data in a storage box. The main types of variable data types include numerical and non-numerical data types. Here are the types of variables. The most commonly used variables are integer, long, and string. Let's use the string as an example. Follow this guide. You can decide on any variable name and put string as the variable type. Use message box to test or put the value in a cell in your spreadsheet. Opening a workbook. This is the sample file that we want to open. Follow this code as our guide. You may copy the file path here. Make sure to include the file name and file extension. The file path, file name, and file extension must be inside quotation marks. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification